Hi. This is page 148, question 5. Kind of a tough question. So I drew a little diagram and I'll try and walk you through it. Given some information here. It's a cylindrical box. In other words, it's like a tennis ball cylinder like you might see at the store when you buy these things. It's kind of like real life. And it gives you the diameter of these tennis balls. So they're 3 1/4. That means from here to here, that's 3 1/4 of an inch. So what that means is you can actually get the height of the cylinder. So if we take 3 1/4 times 4, we've got this is 13 inches, and it also the 3 1/4 would also give us the distance across here, right? So that would also be 3 1/4. So what do you do with that though? You have to draw a net. I think for me, I would draw a net so I could visualize it. So I'm going to have the ends there, okay? And so let's find the area of those. Equals pi r squared, and there's 2 of them, right? So we've got 3 1/4 divided by 2, because that's the diameter, right? So 3.25 divided by 2, we've got 1.625 equals r. And so if we multiply that out, pi times 1.625 squared. So give me a sec here. Times 1.625 squared is 8.2957. I'm just going to leave it in my calculator. Times it by 2 of them, because there's 1 and 2, right? And so times it by 2, and then I'll round. So that gives me 16.59. So I'm going to just circle that. So those are my ends. Okay, so that's taking, I'll just shade them so you know. That's taken care of there, and that's taken care of there. Now the next part is the tough part. That's the I call that the label. It's like if you take a soup can, you peel off the label and you stretch it out, you're going to get a rectangle, right? And so that label is going to be this portion here that we could peel off, right? And so that is going to be like this, all the way down, let's say, like that. And the height we know, it's 13. But this here, that's, I'll just use, I'm going to use green here so you can see. This here is the distance all the way around to there, okay? And we know that's called the circumference. And the circumference times the 13 is going to give us the area of that. So the circumference is going to be pi times the diameter. And we have the diameter is 3 1/4. So that is pi times 3.25 is 10.21. And now for the area equals of this, right, that whole, I'm calling it the label, is 10.21 times 13. And let's see what that is. Times 13 is 132.73. So that's the area of my label. Now they're asking for the area of the whole box, right? Surface area, all surfaces. And so the surface area, I'm going to say SA equals the 2 ends, 16.59 plus the 132.73. And that gives us 149.32 inches squared. And that should be pretty close to the answer in the back of your workbook, depending on how they round it. So they might have rounded it to 149, might be 149.3, but that is the idea. I'm going to zoom out so you can see it all at once, and snap a picture of that if you want. But that is the solution. So yeah, thanks for asking that question.